Good morning, everyone. It's Michelle at Emerald Coast Beach Homes. I'm here in Miramar Beach, Florida. It's a beautiful day today. Wanted to address myth number 4, which is that renovating your home will net you more money when you sell. This is something that property owners need to be careful with because sometimes they can just go overboard with renovations and put in all the finishes that they would want to have in their home and spend way more money than they needed to renovate. So property owners should look to find cost-effective solutions, such as instead of replacing cabinets, because typically when you replace cabinets, you have to replace the countertops. So you're now doubling your budget. So it's good to consult with a contractor to see if you can just have them repainted. And if you are looking for countertops, you don't have to buy the highest quality granite or quartz. You can look for remnant pieces or closeout pieces that will be a lot less expensive. And so sometimes also just doing a really good deep clean of your house will really make it shine, and maybe those tile floors aren't as old and dingy as you might have thought. They just might have needed to be steam cleaned. So it's a good idea to talk with your agent to discuss what might work best for your home and save you some money so that you can net as much money as you can on your sale. All right, well, thank you. Have a great day.